We appreciate you taking the time to visit the Grap Coins channel on YouTube. This movie contains the most recent information regarding Ethereum. It would appear that Ethereum has not accomplished anything today and needs to put in some effort to catch up. At this moment, Ether is still not performing as well as a great deal of other cryptocurrencies, which is not surprising. It will take some time, but it is not impossible to get ahead of certain alternative cryptocurrencies. This is the current price of Ethereum, which is still somewhere around $3,000 or $2,865, which is equivalent to $300. It appears that neither Bitcoin nor Ether are making significant progress in their respective markets. At this very moment, we are members of this band. At this point in time, our sole objective is to determine whether or not Ether can surpass its all-time high of $3,300, which was originally established on Monday. Both a wave down B and a wave 4 corrective are simultaneously being monitored at this very moment. On Saturday the 13th, the corrective phase of wave 4 may have come to an end. The length of all three waves, the down, the up, and the down, is stretched out to its maximum extent. I hope that after our meeting, I will have a more positive outlook on the future because we covered all of the topics that are particularly significant. Despite the fact that Ether has lost support, I won't be too critical of its present performance because it has just recently reached the point where it broke through the first support. The completion of this restoration, which is depicted as an ABC structure, is not out of the question. There is a possibility that the white count will decrease by one more unit, resulting in a WXY pattern. It is possible that the yellow count indicates short-term optimism for the upside, while the white count indicates short-term pessimism for the upside. This is something that cannot be confirmed, but it is a possibility. In addition, there is a possibility that Ethereum is seeing its own individual growth. Despite the fact that there are no indications that a breakout or the construction of a new low is set to take place, we are still trading within a range. The difficulty is that there have only been 3 waves of price action since the 13th low on Saturday. However, this is the problem. Consequently, it appears that the probabilities are fairly even. I am going to refer to this particular rally as a 3-wave rally for the time being because I do not see a 5-wave upward rush occurring. In order to confirm that wave 4 has achieved its lowest point, it is necessary for 5 waves to reach 3,770 beginning early on Monday morning and continuing beyond that. This is based on the assumption that the number of yellows remains same. On the other hand, this is merely a range consisting of 3 waves upward and 3 waves below. Due to the fact that the R was composed of 3 distinct waves, we are able to determine that if 5 waves are released, they will be released in a lateral pattern. The ABC formula will also be followed by wave 3 as a consequence of this. If this is the case, then waves A and B have passed, and the rise that is occurring right now is the C wave. However, it is essential that it breaks before anything else. According to our estimation, the 3rd wave will reach 3,620 if we are able to maintain our position above 3,300. In addition, there is some structural resistance to this surge high that occurred on April 11th. After that, there must be a reversal of the 4 and 5 waves, which often results in a degree of extension of approximately 3,400 on a 100% scale. At a low point of 2865, Friday is the lowest point. It is possible that the yellow count will continue to increase, culminating in a 5th wave at 3,770 if this level is not maintained. The following are the parameters that I am now monitoring, and if you are also interested in monitoring the yellow count, the first will be monitoring them as well. Delivering a child to be honest, I don't have a lot else to say about this. If you are pleased with the modification, please indicate your approval by clicking the like button. We are grateful that you have taken the time to subscribe to our GrabCoin YouTube channel, share it with others, and watch it till such time as it is required.